Hi, I'm Shatish. Welcome to Data Skill Builder. Here why I need to start this channel. So start with my story. In my initial day in corporate, when I started working on data, I faced a lot of problems. I'd search for answer online, but most of the videos felt robotic. They showed a perfect textbook example that almost never happen in real office situations. I know how confusing, stressful and time consuming that can be. Keeping all these problems I faced, I thought that there's many more people who stuck at the same scenario. So I started this channel to solve real data problems. Sometimes you don't have time to study a full course just to fix one problem you're facing right now. That's where I come in. I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible, step by step, so you can actually use it at your workplace. If you have got a data challenge, message me on LinkedIn. If I understand it well, I'll try to cover it on my Sunday video so you'll get a clear practical solution on that. And while I'm uploading the video, so others can also get the knowledge. Only one thing you need to do is to forward your problem on LinkedIn. All the links are given in the description below. So let's make working on data less stressful and more fun. Thanks for your time. Keep in touch on YouTube. Have a great day.